Aloha everybody, I'm going to show you a new recipe that's going into my third cookbook. It's called a beach bowl. Okay, you start with healthy brown rice. Now I like using this microwave rice. It's super fast. I've been using this for years. 90 seconds in the microwave. If you were to make brown rice on your own on the stove or a rice cooker, it takes 40 minutes. Okay, next you're going to add some steamed broccoli. Your own protein. I'm using a plant-based patty. It's so yummy, I love it. You can also use extra lean ground turkey, tofu, chicken, steak, any of your favorite protein. I love the shredded greens and red cabbage. It's already washed and chopped, so I'm going to put a little of this in. Oops. Looks good so far. Next, some pre-shredded carrots. See, all of these vegetables are pre-washed, pre-cut, so it really makes it easy and fast to eat healthfully. Okay, lastly, we're going to put in our roasted garbanzo beans. Okay, so all I did was toss some garbanzo beans in a little olive oil and sprinkle with a little garlic powder. Okay, and then I'll show you the yummy sauce that I put on top. Okay, this is delicious. My kids literally will eat a whole bunch of broccoli with this sauce. It's a little bit of Greek yogurt with sriracha. There you have it, Kiana's Beach Bowl in less than 15 minutes. Stay fit.